Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is another Bryan song that I've had several requests for. So here comes Seeking Subtle Hands, okay? Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan. So I'm going to go through the song for you now, break it down, show you how I played it, and hopefully you'll be good to go with it too. Singing as usual will be definitely for reference only. I can't sing like Bryan, so here we go. There's a blanket and a pillow for a pretty girl that I know, in a place that's not too far from here. It's getting cold out now in this worthless little town. That sunset, oh yeah, she's christening you. And the innocence in your eyes, and the way that your head lies on the floor lays a warm, clean brush room. I'm here, honey, and you're gold and lovely. The way your silhouette seems to disappear. Rest your bones, dear, 'cause you're alone here. You should have no fear about the man I am. With your seeking circle hands climbing up again, looking to test the lines between love and sin. With your seeking subtle hands, blood in your veins, and it longs and it screams for a girl like you to pull that window down. And my eyes are set on the string strap ripped to your breast, 'cause gravity just takes you to the ground. And I'm here, honey, that's gold and lovely, and your silhouette seems to disappear. Rest your bones, dear, 'cause you're alone here. You should have no fear about the man with your seeking subtle hands climbing up again, looking to test the lines between love and sin. With your seeking subtle hands, oh your hands, oh your hands. There's a blanket and a pillow for a pretty girl I know, in a place that's not too far from here. So rest your bones, dear. Sorry about the singing, but there you have it. That's basically the gist of the song. Okay, so let's go through it. Right, so the introduction starts off with this little lick, very simple, a slide on the 2nd string, 3rd fret to 5th fret, and then goes to the 3rd fret of the top E string, back to the 5th fret of the 2nd, then to the 3rd fret of the 2nd, slide down to the 1st fret of the 2nd. Okay. Okay. Then you go into an A minor. Okay. It's quite slow. And then we do a G, but I'm playing a G suspended 4th. Okay. So I'm just playing a G chord like that and adding my 1st finger to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. You could also play it with just 3 fingers. This 3rd finger, you could just play the 3rd on the 6th with it and lean it into the neck and rest the back of that finger on that 5th string so it doesn't sound. I'm not quite sure if he's doing it that way or just a straight G with a suspended, I'm not sure. So you could do it either way, just a straight G with a suspension, or you could take this finger off and just move this finger inwards a bit so that the 5th string is dead, it's muted, because the strings, that finger's resting on it. Okay, I'm not quite sure which way he's playing it, but it's a G suspended. Okay, so from the beginning, A minor to G suspended to C, now what he does there, hits the F chord and then takes that 2nd finger off. So okay, on the 2nd strum he takes that finger off, and then what he does then is this, does that. Now whether he's deliberately doing that or that's just the way it came out, I'm not sure, but what he's doing there is he's sliding that 3rd fret of the 2nd string up to the 5th fret and also hitting the top E string at the same time. Okay, and then he hits that top E string again, open, then slides from the 5th fret on the 2nd string to the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, sorry, 5th fret to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then finally that 3rd fret, sorry, 1st fret of the 2nd string. Got that? So it's a 5th, start again, 2nd string, 3rd fret, sliding up to the 5th fret and hitting the open string at the same time, top E string. Okay. Then top E string open, and then slide back from the 5th fret on the 2nd to the 3rd fret on the 2nd. Again, you can hit the top string again open if you like at the same time, and then finally that 1st fret of the 2nd string. Okay. Then we go back to the A minor, the G suspended to the C, to the F, and then take that finger off again, ba, ba, and then put it back again. Okay, so it's ba, ba, da, 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 ba, put that finger back. Okay, and then he goes into the 1st verse. There's a blanket, A minor is blanket. Okay, so the whole intro very slowly. Suspended, C, F, off 2nd finger, then this little riff, A minor, G suspended, C, then the F, finger off, hammer that finger back in again. There's a minor, blanket and a pillow, G suspended on a pretty girl I know, C, in a place that's not too far from F, yeah, finger off, hammer back in, back to J minor, but it's getting J cold out now, G suspended, worthless little town, in that C, sunset, oh yeah, she's cresting F, finger off, hammer back in again to the F. Okay, so that's it. That's the first half of the verse, and it just repeats the same again for the rest of the verse. Okay, so we'll just do let's turn him off. So the second half of the verse goes back into the A minor. So after crest new, hammer back into the F and the A minor, and the innocence in your eyes, G suspended, and the way your hair lies, C, and the floor lays warm and quaint, resume, and then hammer straight that F, take the finger off, quick strum, and then hammer back into the F for that second finger. Okay, and that's the end of the verse, and it's the same for all the verses. Okay, there's one slight bit on the second verse which is a little bit sorry, it's the same. All the verses are the same. There's a slight difference in the chorus. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so let's just do the intro and the first verse. Okay. There's a blanket and a pillow for the pretty girl that I know, in a place that's not too far from here. It's getting cold out now in this worthless little town, and the sun says, oh yeah, she's questioning you, and the innocent in your eyes, and the way your head lies, and the floor lays warm and resume. Right, now we're going to the chorus. Okay, so that's the verses. All the verses are basically the same to play. Okay, so here is the chorus. Right, oh, I'm A minor, here, honey, and your G suspended, cold and lovely, and C, silhouette, seem to, now that's seem to, so it's that F and then that second finger off, seems to just G suspended here, rest your A minor bones dear, cause we're a G suspended low here, you should have C, no fear about the man I F, and then second finger off, stop with your seeking supple hands. Right, so and then the little riff on seeking supple hands. So it stops on that F, about the man I am, and then you just sing with your, and then you come in with the guitar, seeking subtle hands, and that's that slide up from 3 to 5 on the second string, so C, top string, third fret, so King, third, fifth fret, second string, third fret, second string, hands. So that's a slide from 3 to 5 on the second string, C, third fret, top E string, back to the fifth fret, second, third fret, second, A minor, hands. Climbing up a G suspended pen, looking to see, test your lines between love and F, then take that finger off, stop with your, again, seeking subtle hand, A minor, and it goes into the instrumental bit, or in between the verses, just A minor to G suspended as usual, C, and then to the F, finger off, hammer back in, then back into another verse, and it's exactly the same as the first verse to do, except it's only half as long, but exactly the same chord sequence. Okay, so let's just go through the chorus again. Okay, so I'm first chorus, second chorus is slightly different. Okay, I am A minor, here, honey, G suspended and gold and lovely, see the way your silhouette seem So it's very quick. Seems to just disappear. Seems to just appear. G suspended, A minor, burst your bones, dear. G suspended, here. You should have seen no fear about the man I am. Stop. C with your seeking subtle hands. A minor, G, coming up again. Look in C, test the lines between your love and sing. That's the F and that finger off thing. Stop with your riff, seeking subtle hands. A minor, G suspended, C, F, finger off, hammer back in. Second verse, without blood in your veins. G suspended, it longs and it strains. C, with a girl like you to pull that window down. F, finger off, hammer back in. On A minor, eyes are set on a string strap, strip score dress. G to the C, gravity just takes you to the F, finger off, hammer in. Chorus, and I'm A minor, here honey. G and the gold and lovely. C and the silhouette seems to just disappear. Right, now this is the only difference on the chorus, that line there. On the first chorus you went silhouette seems to just appear. On this chorus, the second chorus, it's the same as like the verse stuff, where it goes a silhouette, it seems to just disappear. It just does the C to the F with the finger off and then hammer back in again. On the first chorus it goes to G suspended on a pier. Okay, so other than that it's exactly the same. So from the beginning of the second chorus, okay, and I'm here honey, you're gold and lovely, and the way your silhouette seems to disappear. Rest your bones, dear. G, A minor to G suspended, flow here. C, and you have no fear about the man I am. Stop with your subtle hands. A minor, climbing up G suspended again. Looking to see, test your lies between love and F, finger off. Stop with your riff, seeking subtle A minor hands. Oh, it's the C, G suspended hands. C, oh your hands. F, finger off, back on again. There's a minor, like outro, like in a pillow. G suspended, pretty girl, I know. In a C stop, at least that's not too far from F, hammer back in. So rest your A minor bones, dear. G suspended, and then slow down and just strum the C for an ending, and there you have it. That's the whole thing. So hopefully you'll make some sense out of that. Okay, so just go through my demo version to put it all together if you want. Play along with my demo version, but you've got it all there basically. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.